Welcome to the latest video, and in this video short, well, what we're excited to announce is the publication of the Six Sigma Black Belt Handbook. 400 pages of golden advice on how to become a world-class black belt and earn double your normal engineer salary, because that's what being a world-class problem solver is all about. This is a how-to book. It's not a statistics book. So you are going to become a brilliant engineer. If you buy this book, you are going to become a brilliant black belt. Go to lulu.com and look for the Six Sigma Black Belt Handbook by Paul Allen right now. Welcome to the latest video, and in this video we're back with lean lesson 2, and the lean lesson this time is: do you make to stock or do you make to order? That's what we've got to decide. So this is closely linked to lean lesson 1, which was working out the demand, make to stock or make to order. So this is all about standard work. This is all standard work. So standard work in this case is you have a fixed rule for making this decision. So you decide, you look at your business and you look at your repetitive work and you look at your stranger work. So make to stock would be the repetitive work. Make to order, of course, would be the stranger work, the unpredictable. This, of course, is low risk, and therefore the stock is always going to be flowing through the belly of your business. This, of course, is high risk, and therefore we don't want to make stock here. We don't want stranger product, taking risks, having to try and forecast, making mistakes with forecasts. But standard work, you have a rule. Now this could be based on quantity. It could be based on how regular you see orders. So it could be about regularity. But the key point is this: standard work, you have a rule and then you stick by it. And what I mean by that, there are two reasons to stick by it, or two elements to that. Number one is this: when you decide product A is make to stock, that's the only way you make product A. That's the only way you make product A. So you're going to develop a pull system. Also standard work. But the first thing is to decide product A is going to be make to stock. If you decide product B is make to order, then it's always going to be make to order. You're going to stick by that, obviously, unless the demand changes in some wild way between these two. So if they move into the other standard realm, then of course you change them. But that shouldn't be happening. Every month. You're not going, well, we made it to stock this month, we'll make it to order next month. Now what you do, you'll have a year of making it to stock, you'll have a year of making it to order. So then what flows from that, of course, standard work, pull system. So you'll have standard stock levels, standard reorder points, standard batch sizes, standard work. This, of course, will be make to order. Key point: you will have a standard lead time, which, by the way, will not be the lead time of these. Don't let your salespeople go around the world telling everybody this is on a 2-week lead time when it's a make to order item and it's going to take 8 weeks to produce. So you're going to have rules for this, standard lead time. Obviously rules for this, standard lead time. Much shorter though for this. You've got it in stock. Maybe we can deliver it within a few days because we've got stock of the item. So standard rules. How do you decide whether you are make to stock, make to order? The product only goes through one system, standard work. Then when you've got make to stock or make to order, we're going to have standard work for how the pull system is calculated. We're going to have standard work for how the lead time is calculated. Everything is standard work. That is lean lesson number 2. Standard work for whether you make to stock or make to order, but you always stick by your decision. You don't flip-flop between one to the other. If you do that, you will definitely make more money.